Are you tired of trying to guess the perfect time to buy crypto? What if I told you there's a strategy that allows you to invest without worrying about market timing? Welcome to dollar cost averaging, or DCA for short, a method that makes crypto investing much simpler. Dollar cost averaging, or DCA, is an investment strategy where you regularly invest a set amount of money into a cryptocurrency at fixed intervals regardless of the price. The idea behind this strategy is simple. Instead of trying to time the market and buy at the lowest price, you consistently invest over time, which helps you smooth out the volatility of the crypto market. With DCA, you don't have to worry about making emotional decisions, like buying when the prices are high or selling in a panic when the market drops. Instead, you're taking a disciplined approach by investing the same amount whether the market is going up, down, or sideways. This makes DCA particularly useful in volatile markets like crypto, where prices can swing dramatically in a very short period of time. So how does dollar cost averaging work? Let's break it down with a simple example. Imagine you decide to invest $100 in Bitcoin every month. In the first month, Bitcoin is priced at $30,000, so your $100 gets you a fraction of Bitcoin. The next month, the price drops to $25,000, so your $100 buys you more Bitcoin. By the third month, the price jumps to $35,000, meaning your $100 buys you a bit less. Over time, you would have bought Bitcoin at both higher and lower prices, and the total cost will average out. This way, you don't have to worry about hitting the perfect time to invest. Instead, you're building your cryptocurrency portfolio slowly, over time, with less stress about market fluctuations. But why use dollar cost averaging anyway? The great thing about DCA is that it removes the pressure of trying to predict market changes. Whether the market is going up or down, you can keep investing the same amount. This method reduces your exposure to large market swings, which makes it easier for you to stay in the game for the long term, especially in a market as volatile as cryptocurrency. By spreading out your deposits, DCA helps you avoid putting all your money in when the prices are high, and when the prices are low, you're able to buy more of the asset for the same amount of money. Over time, this can help balance out the effects of volatility and potentially lead to more stability and growth in your cryptocurrency portfolio. If you're looking for a more straightforward and stress-free way to invest in cryptocurrency, dollar cost averaging could be the strategy to consider. It's a consistent, reliable, and mathematical sound approach that helps you build your portfolio without worrying about the daily ups and downs of the market. If you found this explanation useful, be sure to hit that like button, share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe to Crypto King for more simple and easy to follow crypto tips.